This tree is Vachellia nilotica, commonly known as Babul. Babul is a tree used in traditional medicine for various ailments. The bark, leaves, and parts are used to treat diarrhea and dysentery. Twigs are used as natural toothbrushes to prevent bleeding gums and maintain oral hygiene. The plant extracts are applied topically to help heal wounds and ulcers. It is used to treat joint pain and other inflammatory conditions. The plant has properties that help fight bacterial and fungal infections. Some traditional uses suggest it can help lower blood sugar levels.